Welcome to our session on the Introduction to Project Management. Today, we're diving into topic 1.3, specifically focusing on the project journey. We'll explore the distinct stages a project moves through, from its initial idea to completion. This includes understanding the various project proposal stages and revisiting the fundamental processes that underpin all effective management, which are crucial for successful project execution. Let's begin our exploration of this essential framework. The project journey is essentially a roadmap, a way for the entire team and key stakeholders to clearly visualize the path ahead. It helps everyone understand the process they are undertaking and highlights the resources, time, and commitment required to achieve success. This journey follows a project lifecycle, a series of defined stages that take us from the very beginning, starting even before a formal proposal, through to the final implementation and closure. Thinking about the journey of a project, it typically begins with a project mandate or pre-approval, which sets the stage. This leads into the formal project starting up phase. From there, we move into initiating the project, where the groundwork is laid. The core work happens during project delivery, where the plan is put into action. Finally, every project concludes with a formal project closure. This progression often aligns with pre-proposal, proposal, and implementation stages. The pre-proposal stage is a critical initial step. It requires a detailed description of exactly what needs to be accomplished. Equally important is providing a realistic estimate of the time and cost involved. Key activities here include identifying potential new business opportunities, assessing available resources and capabilities, creating a concise project brief, and ultimately, obtaining a clear go or no-go decision from top management before investing further effort. A project brief is a vital document created during the early stages. Its purpose is to provide just enough information to allow for an informed decision on whether to proceed with initiating a project. It typically includes the project's definition, clear objectives, the proposed approach, the business case justifying the investment, details about the potential project team, and a description of the project's intended outcome or product. Examples of elements within a brief might cover objectives, scope, expected benefits, specifications, and customer quality expectations versus specific criteria like delivery time or hygiene standards. Moving into the project proposal stage, this often kicks off with a formal project initialization. If the project is in response to a request for proposal, or RFP, it typically requires separate sections covering management, technical, and cost aspects. The contents of these proposals are detailed and comprehensive, outlining how the project will be managed, the technical solution, and the budget. This stage also involves developing key project initiation documentation. The project initiation documentation is a comprehensive set of documents developed during the proposal stage. It includes the detailed project plan, covering the project description, planning methodology, budgeting, and how control will be maintained. It also contains the project definition, the chosen approach, details of the project organization, team structure, and assigned tasks. Furthermore, it outlines the strategies for managing risks and ensuring quality throughout the project lifecycle. The project implementation stage is where the bulk of the work happens. The team is given the authority to deliver the project stage by stage. This involves accepting, executing, and delivering specific work packages. Effective management and control are crucial during this phase to ensure timely delivery of products or services, staying within budget, and meeting quality requirements. Maintaining clear communication, managing resources effectively, and regularly reviewing status reports are key activities leading up to project closure upon successful completion. At the heart of any successful project lies the fundamental management process. This process takes various resources, whether they are employees, financial capital, products, physical locations, or information, and transforms them. The transformation happens through the core functions of management, planning, organizing, leading, and controlling. This structured approach, often involving feedback loops back to resource allocation, is what ultimately drives the achievement of the project's goals and objectives. Let's delve a little deeper into those fundamental management processes. Planning involves setting goals and determining the best ways to achieve them. Organizing is about arranging resources and tasks to execute the plan efficiently. Leading focuses on motivating and directing the team towards the project's objectives. Finally, controlling is the process of monitoring progress, comparing it against the plan, and taking corrective action when necessary to stay on track. Applying the management process specifically to project management means these functions are tailored to the project context. Planning involves selecting project goals and defining the steps to reach them. Organizing means assigning project resources, like team members and budget, to specific tasks. Leading is about motivating the project team to perform and achieve the goals. Controlling involves monitoring project performance against the plan and making necessary adjustments. The process takes inputs like human, financial, material, technology, and information resources, and aims for outputs such as high performance, goal achievement, quality products or services, efficiency, and effectiveness, often influenced by feedback.